Good evening to you. Brisk winds once more. We've got hefty downpours moving through thick and fast. And for many of us, it will turn colder in the next 24 hours. Low pressure to the north of us will provide brisk winds and blustery downpours as we end the week. And then behind this, colder air tomorrow night as temperatures slide from the north, turning frosty for many of us before this system rolls in from the mid-Atlantic come the weekend. Strong gusts, gales in exposed spots, an awful lot of wet weather, turning wintry with sleet and snow across Scotland. As for the next few hours, brisk winds, blustery downpours, mostly through the north and the west. Colder air sets in across Scotland, a biting northerly wind here, below freezing in sheltered glens with frost and ice, wintry across the Highlands. Elsewhere, temperatures lower than recent nights, turning chilly, but brisk winds keeping mist, fog and frost at bay. And away from the north and the west, clearer skies into the new day. Some welcome, albeit low, weak winter sunshine returns. About time too. Blustery downpours across the north and the west get going and drift their way into central and eastern areas as the day wears on. And a much colder day for Scotland, biting northerly winds, feeling bitterly cold with sleet and snow across the Highlands. Temperatures much lower here. The showery outbreaks across northern England and Northern Ireland will turn to hail and sleet. Feeling much chillier here through the afternoon. Further south, the mild air hangs on. Highs of 11 or 12 degrees, but downpours moving through from west to east in those keen and brisk westerly winds. That's it from me. See you soon. Have a lovely evening. Good evening to you. Brisk winds once more. We've got hefty downpours moving through thick and fast, and for some of us, turning colder in the next 24 hours. Those blustery downpours making some headway through northern and western areas as the night wears on. Colder through Scotland, below freezing in sheltered glens with frost and ice, wintry across the Highlands. Elsewhere, temperatures lower than recent nights, a little chillier, but brisk winds keeping frost and fog at bay. And away from the north and the west, better, brighter conditions into the new day. Welcome, if low, weak winter sunshine set to return, about time too. We've got those blustery downpours across the west into the afternoon, making some headway into central and eastern locations. And with the colder air across the north, a much chillier day here. Biting northerly wind for Scotland, wintry across the Highlands. Showers of hail and sleet for northern England and Northern Ireland. Further south, staying a touch milder. Highs of 11 or 12 degrees again.